Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into JTV account. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, that is a URL section, type down jtv.com and enter it after you're done. And make sure that you type down the correct form. And from here, we could see we just landed to the JTV official homepage, and in the top right corner, that's my account option. You need to click in this option in order to log in. But if you have not enrolled or registered your account, you can click over here that says create an account in order to create an account. So let's go and sign in. And in order to sign in, we are required with our password as well as our email. So simply type down your email and your password as well. And make sure you type down your correct password. And if you want to keep signed in next time when you log in, then you do not require any requirement of email and password, then you can click over here that says keep me signed in. But if you do not prefer that, click back again. And if you have forgotten your password, then you can also click over here that says forgotten your password in order to recover or reset your password. And if you have trouble logging in, if you have forgotten your email, password, or whatever the reason is, you can simply go here that says trouble logging in, and the JTV assistants will help you log in. And after this, sign in over here and you'll be successfully logged into your JTV account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.